Alright, as you can see here, the first profit split I've ever gotten was $873 on my 100K FTMO account. So I was paid out on June 29th, 2022. And in this video, I'll show you guys exactly how I passed my challenge, my verification, and got my profit split. And I'll also show you guys the process of getting your profit split. So watch to the end of this video and I'll show you guys exactly how I did it. Alright, so welcome back on my legendary traders and entrepreneurs. As you guys can see, at the intro, I showed you guys my profit split, and I'll be showing you guys more of the certificates and also showing you guys the process of how I did it, okay? So let's go straight to the verification and the proofs. So one thing I love about FTMO now is that they changed it to where they have the QR code here, so you can scan it to prove that it's real, because there has been a lot of people, you can just edit this and make it very easy to edit out, right? So with this, you can scan it and see if it's legit or not, right? So you scan it with your QR code on your phone, it'll pop up if it's verified. Yeah, so that's one thing, because I don't know if I told you guys, but when I first started trading Forex, a lot of people, or the person that got me into it, was actually showing me fake accounts or demo accounts, and that's when I was still an amateur, so I didn't understand how to tell it was a demo or not. So a couple months in, I found out that he was trading demo, but with FTMO, with this, you can scan it, and now you know for sure if a person is legit or not, right? So a little thing too is, as of now, I have done 6 FTMO challenges. I have passed 2 out of 4. My very first one, I passed it, but then I already blown it the first week. So now I have a more conservative approach. My trading strategy, basically, it hasn't changed too much, but it has changed a little bit. I'm no longer, as of right now, I am just doing one-to-one risk to reward, and yeah, that's how I've been doing it. And I'll be showing you guys some trades that I've taken and some trades that are active right now. All right, so this is USD JPY right here. All right, so the main thing that I look for now is a strong zone, and I just find it to break that zone, come back and retest it, and continuation here, right? So exactly as you see here, I just look on the H4, and there's a zone right here that it's a higher low right here, this area here that I wanted to break. So basically here's the area, this green line. And then I enter usually on the H1, the hourly candle. So you can see here, my entry was this one. I was a little late, but it's okay because I actually wanted to trade under the moving averages anyways. So what happened was it went down here. I actually caught it late, but I just entered when it broke through. And my stop loss, I just put it under the high of this green arc right here. If you go to H4, you'll see that it's the high of these 2 candles here. So it broke. Came in retest. It doesn't need to retest perfectly, but just needs to break, retest. As long as it doesn't pass this candle right here, then it's still a valid setup for me. So it broke, came in retest, and then if the best area we'll actually want to put it is like a sell stop under here, and just put your stop loss up here, right? But I came in a little late, but it's okay too, because I didn't really want to trade above the moving average 200. The green is the 200, the MA50 is, or the purple is the MA50. So when I entered here, I just put my stop loss above this high right here, and then I just did a 101, and I take profit here, right? So that's it. That's all basically the strategy. And one thing too, make sure it's valid, is you look to the left and make sure there's not a lot of support resistance. So you go on H4, you can see here that you have clearly enough room to get a 101. It can even go further, but as of right now, I'm just going for 101 and take your profit as I can, right? So the rules breaking down: step 1, trade with the moving averages. Number 2 is a strong zone. Number 3, break. Number 4, retest. Number 5, continuation. And this number 6 is make sure there's room for 101. Stop loss above the high. TPs 101, and make sure there's room to the left. What I mean by that is if there's a lot of resistance, let's say the TP was right here, I wouldn't take it because this is probably a support zone right here. So the TP was here, it was close to it, but it wasn't there. So that's why I took that trade, and that's how I got this one. This one is already my second account that they gave me. So every time you get profit split, they give you a brand new account, and that's what happened there, right? So these two, they're actually running the negative, but still the same strategy. You can't win every trade, but I'll show you guys the breakdown real quick of it. Same exact concept. Euro JPY. So H4, you see how it's a zone right here, this white line right here. Support, broke support, can be retest. So usually I go to the H1 to see the retest, like I said. So this candle here, it came in retest, and then I did a sell stop, and it hit, and then now it almost hit my take profit earlier, but it's going up and down. So hopefully it hits it today, but if not, it's fine. It's just part of the trading process. But anyways, you can see it broke. What I saw is it broke this zone right here. It broke this zone. It broke, came back and tested. I did a sell stop under this strong candle right here to the left. As long as price doesn't break the top, it's still a valid setup. So it went down, and it's still going down. It's kind of consolidating right now, but yep, that's why I took that trade. Room to the left, look to the left. There's all this space right here, all this space to take profit. So it's good. And I'll review one more, then I'll show you guys the profit split payout. Okay. All right. So this one is about same setup or similar setup. Strong area broke. This area here, it broke this zone right here. It broke this zone. It broke. Ideally, I'll say probably better entry is down here. But the thing here, you probably just want to break here too. So if it breaks here lower. But what I saw at the moment was that I just wanted to break this zone right here. So it broke, and then it closed above, below it, and then I went to the H1. So this is the zone I wanted to trade in. What happened was it broke. It broke the zone that I wanted to. This white line right here is actually the zone I wanted to, but I never pulled back, so I didn't enter. So what happened is it went down. It kind of pulled back. I did a sell stop, and then it break right through. Almost hit take profit. Put a stop loss on top. That's it. And it's letting it ride. And that's it. That's about basically what I've been doing. You see how take profit? It's still down here. It doesn't. If it's below here, then probably I wouldn't take it. But room to enter 101 right here. That's why I took that trade. All right. So let me show you guys the profit split process. All right. First profit split process. Processing. See how it is. So max is this. Guess you click, it goes down. Also get my refund of $598.77. Don't want another challenge for now. On bank transfer, the local bank transfer person. Checking. Alright, let me get my routing number. Okay, enter offer info. Above any special requirement D which may change account merging with another account changing of trading platform. When I first did the challenge, I did a 50K aggressive, which is the same thing as a 100K regular account. But anyways, I wanted to switch it to a swing account so I can trade over news and over the weekend without getting penalized. But this last account, I already had a 100K swing account, but I'm just gonna put it in case because when I did it up there, they didn't give me the 100K swing account. So basically, 100K swing account is just a live account. There's no rules basically. It's just the drawdown rules daily and the overall drawdown. Those are the only two rules, but just don't overtrade. Proceed. Please review the details. Withdraw $873.65. Refund $598.77. Step 2. Your payout is successfully the processing time. Withdraw. You will receive confirmation of 3 working days that your payout has been processed. Your payout request was successfully submitted. The processing time of withdrawal varies. 3 days to receive. So that's it. My first profit split ever. I did a 2-week payout. So I got $873.65. So a couple more profit splits, then I'll be able to recover what I've lost from trading on FTMO. But that's the beauty of trading on a funding account is once you get your profits or once you get your funding account, the withdrawal, if you profit, it makes a lot of the money back. But that is it for now. This is the process for the split payout. All right, thank you guys all for watching. It's actually been a long time, 5 months. As I look back, it's been a while since I posted, but I just been very concentrated and focused on trying to pass my FTMO, getting a profit split, not being greedy, just taking it and doing a 14-day payout so I can at least get paid twice a month. As of right now, maybe the next payout I'm going to do another FTMO challenge. But thank you guys all for watching. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. And I hope you guys joining me on this journey. And also hope it helps you guys become a funded trader and get your first profit split.